Okay, good morning dear medicos. I am Dr. Kaleem Raza, Faculty of Anatomy, Samarkand State Medical Institute. I am having first semester students group. Today we are going to discuss about the bones of the skull, cranium bones, and most important the fossa of the skull. Fossa of the skull, and then we will discuss the openings of the skull. These openings are very important because you know that most important organ in your skull is shaped, that is the brain. All important structures passing through the brain, entering to the brain, whether these are arteries or the nerves and the important parts of the nervous system which exit through the brain, all these structures passing through these openings. So these openings are very important. You may have at least 1 to 2 MCQs in your exam. We have already discussed complete bones of the skull. Today we are going to just review the bones of the face and bones of the cranium. So how many total bones of the cranium? Who is going to answer? Cranium. 8 bones. Which bones? Then? Okay, one by one please. How many total bones in the skull? Skull, total skull bones. Which bones?
Sir, facial and cranial bones, sir.
I am asking you complete skull.
Yes, sir. So, cranial and facial bones total 22.
Sir, 7 associated.
Which bones total? How many bones total in skull?
Sir, 22 and 7 are associated.
Which bones associated?
1.
I had bone, then
6 bone auditory.
irascicals. So facial bones and cranium bones. Total skull bones are total 22 plus 7, 29 bones. So in skull total there are 29 bones. 22 bones of the skull and 7 associated bone. One is the hyoid end, 6 are the auditory ossicles like stapes, incus and malleus. And cranium there are total how many bones? 8 bones. Which one? Frontal bone, 2 temporal, 2 parietal, sphenoid, ethmoid and occipital bone. I will ask you, okay, I will ask you again these bones. You have to prepare well. And then we will discuss the foramens of the skull. So who is going to tell me what is the name of this fossa? This one? Posterior cranial fossa. Okay, please come forward. Okay. So here you can see this is a anterior cranial fossa, this is a middle cranial fossa, and this is a posterior cranial fossa. I have just told you that these openings are very important. First you must recognize the landmark of the bone, part of the bone, that which specific opening present in which bone. Then you will memorize these openings and the structures passing through these openings. Until unless you will not memorize the landmarks of the bones, parts of the bone, you will not understand the openings, and the most important, the structures passing through these openings. So this is anterior cranial fossa. Yes. So what are the openings of the anterior cranial fossa? So here you can see this is anterior cranial fossa, anterior cranial fossa, and anterior cranial fossa, and what is this? Perforation of the cribriform plate. So these cribriform plates basically present in which bone? Ethmoid bone. And what is the important structure passing through? Olfactory nerve. So olfactory nerve, I have told you this is first cranial nerve and passing through the cribriform plate. And then most openings of the skull are present in the middle cranial fossa. And what is the name of this bone in the middle cranial fossa? Sphenoid. Yes. Sphenoid bone. Okay. Name correctly. What is the name of bone? Sphenoid. Sphenoid, please. Okay. So this is a lesser wing of sphenoid. Okay. This is lesser wing of sphenoid, and this is a greater wing of sphenoid. And what is this opening? Can you tell me, please?
What are the optical canals?
This is optic foramen or optic canal. Okay. And what are the structures passing through this opening?
The optical nerve pass from the
Optic nerve and ophthalmic artery. Okay. You tell me, please, what is the name of this opening? This opening? These openings.
Sir, this superior orbital fissure.
Superior orbital fissure.
Oculomotor nerve.
Oculomotor trochlear nerve, the most important structure, third and fourth cranial nerve passing through superior orbital fissure. And then next you tell me please, what is the name of this opening?
Foramen rotundum.
Foramen rotundum. What is the structure passing through foramen rotundum?
A maxillary division of trigeminal nerve.
Most important maxillary division of the trigeminal nerve. You tell me please, what is the name of this foramen? Don't touch it please, okay? Foramen ovale. What is the structure passing through foramen ovale? Mandibular division of the trigeminal nerve. Trigeminal is a which cranial nerve? Five. Yeah, fifth cranial nerve is the trigeminal nerve. Okay, then you tell me please, what is the name of this foramen?
The foramen spinosum.
Foramen spinosum. Okay, what is the structure passing through foramen spinosum?
Meningeal artery.
Middle meningeal artery. Okay, you tell me why you are so silent. Tell me the name of this foramen please. This foramen.
Foramen lacerum.
Lacerum. What is the structure passing through foramen lacerum? Internal carotid artery. Most important structure foramen lacerum having is the internal carotid artery. Then next, now we will discuss the foramens of the posterior cranial fossa. Posterior cranial fossa, please come forward. What is the name of this foramen? What is the name of this foramen?
Foramen ovale.
What is the name of this foramen? This is posterior cranial fossa.
Posterior cranial fossa. Magnum.
This is not foramen magnum. Foramen magnum, this is the foramen. I am asking you this foramen.
Internal carotid artery.
Huh? What is the name of jugular foramen? You have not prepared, okay? So prepare again. I will ask you again. So this is a jugular foramen. So what is the structure passing through jugular foramen? Glossopharyngeal nerve and vagus nerve. And what is this foramen? This foramen? Foramen magnum. What are the structure passing through foramen magnum? Spinal cord. Okay. Then what is the name of this foramen? Hypoglossal canal. What is the structure passing through hypoglossal canal? What is name of which nerve is the hypoglossal nerve? 12th last cranial nerve. And then you tell me please, what is the name of this foramen?
Internal acoustic meters.
What are the structure passing through internal acoustic matters? Facial nerve and vestibulocochlear nerve. Okay, we will recall once again. This is the anterior cranial fossa. Please zoom. This is anterior cranial fossa, and these are the cribriform plates present in the arthmoid bone. This is the middle cranial fossa. First opening is the optic canal, then superior orbital fissure. Then here is the foramen rotundum. This is foramen ovale. This is the foramen spinosum, and this is the foramen lacerum. These all openings basically present in the greater wing of the sphenoid bone. Then is the posterior cranial fossa present in the occipital bone. Major foramen in the posterior cranial fossa is the foramen magnum. Just lateral to the foramen magnum, this is a jugular foramen, and then this is a hypoglossal canal, and just above the hypoglossal canal there is internal acoustic matters. In addition, when we are talking about the skull joints, these are called as suture, and these are immovable joints and fibrous in nature. And first suture, what is the name of this suture between frontal and parietal bone? This suture, coronal suture. Sagittal suture. What is the name of this suture? Squamous suture present between
Occipital and temporal.
squamous between parietal and temporal bone. So these are the sutures of the skull. Joints of the skull bone, these are called as suture. These are immovable in nature. And fibrous joints, frontal and parietal, this is coronal. Between parietal bone, this is sagittal, and between parietal and occipital, this is lambdoid, the strongest suture of the skull. And then between parietal and temporal bone, this suture is the on the lateral side. This is the squamous. And weakest part of the skull is, what is the weakest part of the skull? Pterion. Remember, the weakest part of the skull is the pterion, the joint where your frontal, parietal and temporal bone. The joint of the frontal, parietal, temporal, this is pterion, and this is the weakest part of the skull. Okay, see you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.